Looking to add natural beauty and durability to your home? Discover the eco-friendly elegance of Sisal carpets. Made from natural plant fibers, Sisal carpets bring the outdoors in, offering a rustic yet sophisticated look that complements any decor style. Sisal carpets are not just beautiful, they're eco-friendly and durable. Perfect for high-traffic areas like living rooms, hallways, and offices, they offer both style and strength. Sisal carpets are not only soft but also incredibly durable, making them ideal for everyday living. Our professional installation ensures a perfect fit, with every edge and corner expertly finished, giving your home a clean, polished look. Visit our showroom to explore a wide range of Sisal carpets. Our experts are here to help you choose the perfect color and texture to suit your home. Ready to enhance your home with the natural elegance of Sisal carpets? Contact us or visit our website today.